Hi, I'm Charlotte and welcome on board. Today I'm showing you this 2020 Azimut S6 with a Sportfly version. Let's go visit this beautiful brokerage yacht that perfectly combines Italian sporty design and luxury comforts. The living area is an oasis of relaxation, illuminated by large-sized windows. The kitchen is fully equipped by a meal appliances. Powered by 3 Volvo IPS 700 engine, she offers speed and smooth handling. As we said, this S6 model is the Sportfly version, which includes a sun deck for an open air navigation. And we have also a bimini top on the flybridge. The lower deck offers 3 cabins and 2 bathrooms, including a 4-beam master cabin, a twin and a VIP. The cockpit is made for a turning and relaxing with barbecue, ice maker and sink just here, but also with the carbon finish table here. This yacht is turnkey and ready to sail. If you want more information, contact us.
Money, 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 money.